Today we talk about how can you enable profile likes uh, on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to profile likes, just click in this sign. So that like you see here, this color should for us, that's my profile likes notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.